Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a heart shape using Python can be a fun and creative project. In this tutorial, we'll use the popular Python library called Turtle to draw a heart shape on the screen. Turtle is a graphics library that makes it easy to draw shapes and patterns. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. If you don't have Turtle installed, you can install it using the following command. Now, let's create a Python script to draw a heart shape using Turtle. Open your favorite text editor and create a new file, for example, heart.py. Copy and paste the following code into the file. Save the file and run it using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. This will open a window with a red heart shape drawn by the Turtle graphics library. Feel free to customize the code to change the color, size, or position of the heart. You can also explore other Turtle commands to add more shapes or decorations to your drawing. Now you have a simple Python script that draws a heart shape using the Turtle graphics library. Have fun experimenting with different parameters and creating your own variations. ChatGPT